Hey everyone, it's Nilly. So I'm back to do my twist out takedown. So I wore my hair in protective style for a little while with my twisted because I told you guys I'm hair lazy. So here's what I like to use for my takedown. I like to re-moisturize with a leave-in and an oil. So the leave-in of my choice is usually the one that I use to wash, or I use on wash day, which is, oh my gosh, they're cutting the trees outside and it's driving me crazy. Hurry up, people! So whenever I'm taking my twists down, I like to re-moisturize my hair. And I choose different moisturizers based on how I feel. Sometimes I'll reuse the one that I use on wash day, which is the Blueberry Bliss reparative leave-in conditioner. So whenever I'm taking my twist down, I like to re-moisturize and seal with an oil before taking the twists out. Sometimes I'll use the Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner from Curls, or I'll go ahead and use the Kinky Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In Detangler. And I'll seal with an oil of my choice. Sometimes I'll use castor oil or I'll use olive oil, but today I'm going to use the Marvelous Oil Elixir with avocado, olive oil, and almond oil. It's for dry to very dry hair. 3 times the moisture, and this is from Garnier Fructis. Don't you hate when the whole of your bottle gets clogged? That's what I'm dealing with right now. And I'm gonna put that all over my hair, get in my edges as well, just to rehydrate. My hair has been in this twist for a little while, and I'm ready to have fun. Just taking it out and letting my hair be. And then I'm gonna add my oil, and I'm gonna go over my edges again. So adding a bit more oil to my hands, I'm going to rub it on my hands like that, and I'm gonna start unraveling my twist and stretching the hair as you unravel. So because I flat twist the front, I can't just pull it out like how I do the rest of my head. And I'm just opening the twist as well. Twisting it this way because my ends sometimes be locked together. So doing it that way, it doesn't snag my hair at the end. I'm gonna add a bit more oil to my hand. Don't like it greasy because I feel like twist out can rub me the wrong way, because if you're in a car, you just don't want to get up and see your greasy hair on the back of the seat. And I hate that. That used to happen to me where like the product would transfer to the car. Annoying. So I try to use just a light hand with the grease. Just be very light with it, with the oils or whatever. I keep saying grease. And you see I'm separating my twists as I unravel them. So I unravel the twist and then I separate the hair. That way it gets a little more volume. So guys, this is the finished hair, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know down below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.